How to fix WhatsApp call not ringing. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to fix your WhatsApp call if not ringing. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you will not make any mistake. After opening your WhatsApp, so tap on this three dot at the top right side. Go to settings. Scroll to down, tap on notifications. After you open notification, make sure this conversation is turned on. So scroll to down. As you can see now, under this call, tap on this ringing tone. So now it will ask you to go and select your ringing tone. So tap on this sound. So now select the sound that you want to use for your ringing tone of WhatsApp. So now I'll just go and select one. After you select your ringing tone, tap on this back arrow. So that's it guys on how to fix WhatsApp call not ringing. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.